Oops. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making this beautiful detangler you can use as your pre-poo. We'll be using only one ingredient, and this is flaxseed. Yes, flaxseed is very good. Like, it's a natural gel. These days most of these products that are available on the internet or on the market have flaxseed in them, especially detanglers, pre-poo products and all that. They have flaxseed, and I'm always excited to see that natural ingredients are now being accepted. They've been accepted for a while now, but now the dominance has really increased. Yeah, so let's make ourselves some flaxseed gel you can use as your pre-poo, or you can even use as a detangler, or even a gel for styling your hair. So with a cup, or what you saw, I corresponded to 2 cups of water. So if a cup of flaxseed gel, I then add 2 cups of water to it, just to give me a consistency that I want. And then I boiled it for about 15 minutes under medium heat. Yes, so the trick is that if you want to get a lot of flaxseed gel without causing a lot of mess, make sure you strain it when it's very hot. Like, once you take it from the fire, you strain it right away. When you leave it to settle for a while, it becomes very thick and very slimy. So it's very difficult to strain. You'd have to use a cheesecloth, and I don't think you want to go through that stress. This is the easiest you can ever do. So once you strain it, you realize that everything is out. At this point, there's no flaxseed gel in this seed. You can decide to reuse this gel again, or just blend everything and then use it as a deep conditioning mask. This is my flaxseed gel, and let's see the magic that this flaxseed gel can turn into. Well, I'll be using this as my detangling or something to give me slip while I remove my mini twist. Yes, most of the times we lose our hair because we don't take our time when taking down our braids. I don't know if you understand. So if you want to take down our braids, we are in a rush because there's no slip. We don't include any water, any oil, nothing. We just go in straight and then detangle the hair. It's very wrong. You need to introduce any form of slip. You can use aloe vera gel, you can even use your conditioner, or you can use flaxseed gel, as you can see. Now, let me give you the good news. The good news is that you can make your flaxseed gel and store in the freezer for as long as you want, and then use it when you're ready. This flaxseed gel was stored in the freezer for at most 3 weeks. Yes, if I remember 3, because this hair lasted for 3 weeks, and it's still fresh. Like, it still had the same consistency as I did it as it was fresh. So it means that you don't need to rush yourself to prepare and use flaxseed on the same day. So you can decide to prepare it on Monday and then use it on Friday, prepare it in January and use it in February. So long as you put it in a freezer, not a fridge, a deep freezer, so that it still keeps its freshness. Yes, I like flaxseed because of its nutrients that it has. It's so nutritious. Some people even consume flaxseed for weight loss. Yes, it's very nutritious. It has antibacterial and antimicrobial properties that help to shield the hair. This has no damages to the hair. It actually protects the hair very well. Yes, most common products available in the market include flaxseed gel. Sometimes when you're buying a gel or a detangler, like those natural products, when you check the ingredients, you see that there are some form of flaxseed gel in it, like a natural way of adding gel to the hair. Now, in taking down your hair, especially mini twists, be very careful and be very gentle. You don't want to lose the small hair that you have grown. No, it's not the best. So you have to be very gentle and be very careful. Make sure your hair is a bit wet, or it has this form of sliminess in it before you go in to take it down. Do not take down your braids when your hair is dry. As you can see, when I'm done, I just go in with the flaxseed gel in order to, give me slip, so that the shed hair in my hair will just come out smoothly. I don't need to be so aggressive with it. Yes, this is a gel you can use as a styling gel. Yes, it has several benefits, and using it as a styling gel is one advantage that you can gain from it. You guys can see how smooth my hair was. Like, I was really enjoying the results I was getting. Usually when we are taking the braids, we are in a haste, we are in a rush. We are thinking that, no, we need to get this done quickly and all that. But please, take your time. It took me about 4 hours to get these mini twists out. It's because I was doing other things in between. But all the same, take your time, and then you'll be able to get your braids out without losing so much hair. The trick about getting your braids out is do not comb your hair right after taking your braids out. Please do not comb your hair right after taking your braids out, especially if there's no form of slip inside your hair. So because I had a little bit of slip, I could have combed my hair, but I'm personally not a combing person, so I just use my hands to slide or glide through the hair so that I can be able to get rid of the shed hair. Aside that, please try your best to stay away from combs when you're taking down your hair. Yes, so you can do this as a pre-poo. So this is the first method. When you are done with hair, you can just add a bit of your hair growth oil to it, your scalp, and then wear your steamer cap for about 15 minutes. Go and shampoo your hair and then deep condition your hair, and you are good to go. Or you can use this and then mix it with your regular mask. If you have some herbs infused masks, you can add a bit of flaxseed gel. It brings out this sliminess consistency and is able to, define your curls very, very well. Totally depend on you. You can customize this as long as you prefer, so that you're going to enjoy this beautiful wash day of your choice. One thing I noticed about mini twists is mini twists really grow the hair. Like, it's like you've given your hair a break, even though you're taking care of it, so it's really able to retain some length. So if you are taking down your braids and you are not careful, you're going to do a cos 90 job, because all the hair that you've retained will be lost. So please be particular about mini twist. Please be very particular when taking down your braids. Yes. Last but not least, don't forget to follow up with your hair growth oil. Hair growth oil can be added to the flaxseed gel while putting it in the hair, or after you add the flaxseed gel to your hair, you then add your hair growth oil to it as well. Yes, I was making a mess trying to make some video stuff. So yes, but then all the same, I really love the result. I'm going to use flaxseed again and again because it's easy to make as compared to aloe vera. Aloe vera is a bit complicated for me because I always have to go and look for aloe vera plants and all that. So I prefer flaxseed, and also flaxseed is more slimy than aloe vera. Let me know if there's something you'll be trying, if you'll be using flaxseed on your hair, like as a detangler one of these days, or when you take down your braids. Let me know. If you have any questions, please don't worry. Do not be shy. Let me know in the comment section, and then I'll answer all your questions. I really cannot wait to answer your questions. I'll answer all your questions on this treatment. You can use it only once in a month, depending on how often you wash your hair. If you wash your hair once in a month, you can use this once in a month. As to this point, if you watched it to this point, thank you so much for coming all the way here. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to like and don't forget to comment. And I'd like to give a big shout out to Gracie. She's always commenting on my video, and I really do appreciate her. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, do well to subscribe to the channel if you are new. Bye.